Hello, in this video I'll show you how do you find the monthly payment for the loan. So here I do for the car loan. The formula for monthly payment is here. PMT represent monthly payment. When you get the loan from the bank or any lending institution, you have to pay to the bank usually monthly. Okay. It depends on your loan term. How long is your loan term gonna be? You pay that many year. So here's a formula, and the formula here is PMT is monthly payment for the loan equals P, which is the loan amount, and R over N. R is interest rate, N is a number of time you pay in a year. Usually we pay monthly, so N gonna be 12 most of the time, and 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the power negative N to the power T. Again, that's the formula for the loan. So when you pay the loan, how much you total pay over the time of the loan, that's going to be calculated using this formula. Total paid equals PMT, that's monthly payment, times 12 times T. Okay, T is the term of the loan, and then how much interest you're going to pay over the loan period going to be calculated by total paid minus the P, which is the loan amount. Okay, so let's do the questions based on this formula. Here's a question. You decided to finance $24,000 a car at a 6.25% interest rate for 5 years. So here term is 5 years, this is a T, and this is the interest rate R, and 24,000 is the loan, which is P. Okay, so here's the formula, we had it before. So let's find the how much will your monthly payment, that's going to be PMT, and we use this formula where P is 24,000 and parenthesis R over N is 0.0625 as a R over 12 and divided by everything, where here you put the value of R and in the formula and use this scientific calculator. So you type very carefully. You can start with the fraction if you like, and you put the top as 24000. Let me put that here, 24000. R is 0.0625 as a decimal, divided by 12 because N is 12, parenthesis close. I should put it here on the side. Let me go back here. Parenthesis close, that's the top part, and it goes to the bottom. Use the arrow key here, or you can use arrow key from the keyboard as well. So you type the denominator here, 1 minus parenthesis like this, 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus 0.0625 divided by 12, close the parenthesis here, to the power, raise the power, put the negative here. To raise the power you can type this this button as well, or you can use a cursor to put the power, and put the parenthesis in the power because I want to type this negative 12 times 5 in the power, so you're gonna do 12, so I should say negative 12 times 5, a close parenthesis. So you type this exactly as it is in the calculator and you get $466.7822. But your monthly payment is always rounded up to the nearest cent, not the regular rounding, unless say otherwise. So here it doesn't say anything, so always rounded up. So this is going to be $460.79 here. Even this is 2 here, we round it up to 79 cents. That's the monthly payment. So that's the part A, how much will your monthly payment, is your monthly payment. Next part, by the end of that loan, what will be the total payment you made by the end of the loan? That means in the 5 year, how much you're going to pay it. Since you paid every month $466.79, in 5 years you're going to end up paying this much. So again, you have the formula here. Let me go back. This is the formula. Total paid is going to be PMT times 12 times T. So PMT is $466.79 times 12 times T is 5. You get $28,007.40. That's what you end up paying by 5 years. So next part of the question is how much interest will you pay over the life of the loan. So interest paid going to be, again you have the formula. Interest paid going to be total paid minus the loan amount. So I'm going to do that. Here is total interest paid is the total paid is $28,000.40. This suppose is 40 cents. $28,007.40. Okay, $7.40 minus 24,000. That gives you $4,007.40. That's the interest you paid over the loan. Okay, that's how you find this three part of the problem using scientific calculator. But we can solve this monthly payment using TVM solver. I'm going to show that. So time value money solver. So here to use this calculator, you have to put the right variable value. So n, lowercase n going to be uppercase n times t. So it's going to n times t. Okay, so that's the formula for uppercase n. But here n going to be how much? 12, and the t going to be 5. 12 times 5 is 60. So 60 going to be the uppercase n value in this calculator, TVM solver calculator. Interest rate going to be 6.25. You type everything as it is, not the decimal form. You don't change the decimal, type 6.25 as 6.25% because a little percent here, you see that. The present value, that is called loan here, which is going to be $24,000. So PMT, that's what we need to find. Future value, we don't have anything, so we don't have to worry about that. Payment per year and compounding period per year are going to be the same, which is 12, so it's monthly. So now you have everything, put it in the calculator. You just solve for PMT. That's what you're looking for. You click solve here, you get $466.79. So that's what we get using the formula. So it doesn't matter either you use a calculator, a scientific calculator, or TVM solver, you'll get the same monthly payment. Then you find the how much you paid and how much interest after you find the monthly payment. Thank you. I think this helps you. Bye.